Lunch kami mga brad sa Max. Yan po yung mga brushes. Kain mga brad. Oh. Siyempre di mawawala ang chicken, pansit, at anong tawag dito? Lumpia. Lumpiang meat. At saka chop suey. Kain!
Drop it.
Sige, pili ka na. Anong gusto mo dyan? Ay, may cost ka. Ayaw mo ba? Anong yes? Anong gusto mo? No, you know this. May parking siya.
Oh, you can press that.
Okay, you buy that and then that one.
Wow! Finished. I will do this one.
You're happy with it now, ha? You're happy?
Oh, hindi pa nakapili sila.
You don't like this one? It's not like that.
O, isa ko na. Hindi mo kayo. Ikaw, Ha? Ha? Sure ka na? How much it? I don't know.
What's that? This is lipstick. Ano yan? I thought you were
Hindi daw siya, may.
Ikaw na eh. Ha? Ano?
may bag.
Ayaw mo ito kaya eh. Itong gusto mo?
Princess.
Ito hindi naman niya alam kung ano to eh.
Suitcase lang yan.
Ganda Oh.
one, doll.
Yeah. Hey, Tata's saying.
I thought you want the crying baby. No, I want for Marion.
Oh, ayun. Ayun naman yun.
I thought you want the crying baby. We're my friend. You like that one, the Barbie? Walang gusto niya. Oh, come on, you.
One more.
You just hear na lang, baby. What do you like?
Kaya, kunin mo na. Hindi yan naman umuha. You're happy with that, Nanay? Happy with all that coming out for you? You're happy with this? This is the mommy, the baby, and the baby, okay? Okay? Ba't may subuya pa? Hindi. Wow! Naning! Naning! Naning!